Now, let's review some of the words and phrases that were used and learn their meanings. By following along, you can also practice the proper pronunciation of 10 key words and phrases which you can use in almost any office setting. You may pause the video and repeat as many times as you think is necessary until you feel confident about your pronunciation.
Number 1. Going forward. This is usually used to mean from now on. For example, let's use the new process going forward. Number 2. Thinking outside the box. To think creatively. For example, if we are going to come up with a new product that will inspire our customers, we'll need to think outside the box. Number 3. Stakeholders. Anyone who's involved in a particular project. For example, let's get all the stakeholders together and discuss our new product line. Number 4. Buy-in. Gaining acceptance for something. For example, if we want to have a team-building getaway weekend, we need the CEO to buy into the idea before we approach the finance department. Number 5. Touch base. This means to make contact with someone. For example, I have to touch base with my clients today to make sure they are ready to migrate to the new platform. Number 6. On the same page. Approaching something from the same point of view. For example, let's meet later to discuss the budget so we can make sure we are on the same page with projected research and development costs. Number 7. Feedback. Someone's opinion about something. For example, I need everyone's feedback on the app so we can make any necessary improvements. Number 8. Best practice. Used to refer to the best acceptable way of doing something. For example, the best practice is to establish a step-by-step process that enables us to stop and review before moving to the next step. Number 9. Skill set. This refers to someone's range of skills. For example, did you hear that the new academic director has a fabulous skill set? She can do everything. Number 10. Get the ball rolling. Begin. For example, now that we are all here, let's get the ball rolling so we aren't here all night.